Hi and welcome to Julie's Auto Garage. Today this is going to be just a short little video. Julie's kind of been bugging me about putting this little craft together for her. It's right over there laid out. This is how she wants it, I think. I better ask her, but it's like a wall decoration. We've had all these pieces for quite a long time and I just haven't got around to it. So I got a little bit of extra time. I don't think it's going to take very long. Most of this stuff was free. The only thing that we actually paid any money for was this. It's like a piece of metal. We got it from, what's the arts and crafts store? I can't. Hobby Lobby, that's it. Hobby Lobby, that's where we got it from. So it was a couple bucks. Everything else is gonna be free. I'm gonna show you kind of step by step on how to put something together just for some wall decoration for yourself. Don't forget, if you do appreciate the channel, you do like to see the videos on here, feel free to go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel here. We'll do DIY stuff, we're gonna do how-to stuff, and we appreciate you watching. Stay tuned and thanks for watching Julie's Auto Garage. Okay, so I think Julie's gonna be okay with this. I don't know, it's her auto garage, so I'm just saying. Let's ask her. Let's go ask her real quick. Julie!
Hey.
So YouTube has a question. So Merrick, welcome to Merrick's Auto Garage. Whoa! Extreme close up. Get out of here. Come and check this out real quick. I need a stamp of approval before I do this.
Okay.
Okay. Like that? Is that good?
Stamp of approval.
What do you think, Bubba?
Merrick likes it too.
What do you think, Bubba? Okay, so first things first with this, I think the best thing to do is actually put... Oh, she does want to be out here. Good girl, Luna. You know who's the favorite, huh? Favorite human, favorite human. So, I think... What? Are you jealous?
No, I need your manly strength if you're available.
Ooh, okay. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. So there's only two little like hangers, like you would normally just hang this on the wall. Julie wants to be creative, which okay, that's cool. I think the easiest way to do that is actually behind this, which is actually gonna go against the wall, is to put just like a background. I was thinking, well, I could do plywood, but that's gonna make it heavy. I was thinking, well, it's just, I mean, these aren't very heavy. Julie is staining these like leftover wood pieces. They're not very heavy. So what I'm thinking is we can cut a piece of cardboard, like a square, and fit that behind it. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. So let's get a measurement here. And we'll go like maybe a 1/2 inch to the edge. So 23 inches long, right? And then we don't need it, maybe 10 inches wide. 23 by 10. Let me get a piece of cardboard cut out here to fit this, 23 inches by 10 inches wide, and we'll get that fitted up. I got my free cardboard from Costco. Can't beat it. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so what my plan is I'm gonna put a bunch of glue on this and glue these to it. And then also what I'm gonna do, just so that glue sets up nice, I'm gonna staple them. Okay, boom. looks pretty good. I feel like it. Yeah, it'll be all right. Now, put this here. See exactly how it goes. Just like that. Maybe I'll set something heavy on top of it too. Well, believe it or not, my wood glue is still good. Looks about good. You look sleepy. Well, of course, last staple. I'm gonna pull this one out. Now, what I kind of want to do is I kind of want to flip it over so that glue doesn't drip down through the slots to the other side, the side that's going to show. Okay, watch out, Luna. Okay, so, is that it? Like that? Like that? Okay. Jeez. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff up the paint on the back here so the glue will hold a little better. I'm just gonna put glue just on this part. There's this way, and this way, and that way. And we're gonna get it on here. Okay. That was it. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some weight on it to hold it down. It's like a big laminated sandwich kind of. So let's. So this says 30 minutes, a minimum of 30, clamp for a minimum of 30 minutes, allow 24 hours before you put stress on the joints. So we'll let this sit here for 30 minutes. It's gonna seem like an instant to you in YouTube land, but we'll check this out in about a half hour and we'll see how it works out. There we go. 30 minutes passed. Let's check this out. I'll probably let it dry overnight before I hang it on the wall because that metal deer on the front, I want that to dry completely. But what I need to do is I need to make it to where we can hang this somehow. Luna, you're like the star of the YouTube channel. It's Luna's Auto Garage, huh, Luna? So, what I'm thinking, these are what I'm thinking. Alright. Oh yeah, that definitely needs to dry because it's kind of wanting to bend. But yeah, that'll be good. That will be good. Okay, boom, there's the final product there. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna let this dry overnight in here before we hang it up. So, pretty nice looking little decoration. Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you for watching Julie's Auto Garage. If you like this video, you want to see more like it, go ahead and comment down below. Say what kind of videos you want to see, or if you have any other ideas. Also, feel free to like. Please go ahead and subscribe to our videos so you can see when new content is coming out. So when you hit subscribe, you hit that notification button, you can see when new content's coming out. We appreciate you watching, and thanks for watching Julie's Auto Garage. Luna, big nose dog. Luna, thank you for watching Julie's Auto Garage. Good girl. Yeah.